Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 320 Hamilton Street, Unit 2. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the first floor in Worcester, Massachusetts. Sorry, it's actually the second floor, not the first floor. It is on the second floor, and I'm just going to be going around and trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can, just from the video, as well as pointing out a lot of the things that this place has to offer. So coming through here, this door to my left is the entrance from the front hallway of the building. But most of the time, since the parking is around the side of the building, we'll come through the side and the rear entrance. But this is what it looks like in the front. This is right off of Grafton Street. And there's ample street parking as well as off-street parking. And as you go through, you're gonna notice that it's a little bit, the dimensions are a little bit bigger than an average Worcester 3-decker. So the ceilings are noticeably higher, and this place has got lots of windows, letting a lot of white light in. And looking at the trim itself, there's a lot of built-in trim kind of going around. That is quite large, and it's all in really good condition. So you can see that it is a little bit like other apartments here, as it's got the double parlor room. So a lot of people can either use these as like a dining room and a living room, or potentially 2 living rooms. Either way, it's definitely big enough for sectional couches and entertainment system, everything that you would have coming in through these rooms. And there's, on this side of it, the trim, more shelving built into the walls. And this is a lot of space in here, even going up vertically. It's got the baseboard heaters in here as well. Then coming through there, this is the official dining room. It's right off the kitchen, and it's where you get to all the other rooms in the apartment, including back to the living room. So I'm gonna go around and just show this as well. It's a very large dining room. Same thing with the high ceilings in here as the rest of the apartment. More of that hardwood floors continuing, and then you see the kitchen and bathroom have those nice vinyl planks. There's a bedroom over here on this side, and then the other bedrooms over there. But this is just what the actual size of it looks like. It's also fresh paint going throughout the apartment. And over here, this is the kitchen. So the kitchen is very beautiful with a lot of nice upscale features. It's got a real rock countertop. I'm not sure if that's granite, but it is real rock, and it's cut for a very wide counter. There's LED lights with these cabinets as well. You've got a microwave next to the stove / oven, and a dishwasher. All these are stainless steel appliances. And same thing with the sink and the nozzle hose. But those all look really great together in this nice kitchen, and everything's so close. Also, you have this fridge here on this side, which is in great condition as well. Then coming back here through the dining room, we'll take a look at this bedroom. So this would be bedroom 2 out of 3. It's probably the smallest out of the 3 of them, but this is still bigger than a lot of bedrooms in some other Worcester apartments. It's easily big enough for like a queen size bed and a desk / dresser setup. And it's got the closet in here as well with the baseboard heater. And coming back through there, we're passing by the bathroom on our right. We'll be right back around, but then we'll see this first bedroom. So you can see it's kind of significantly bigger than the second bedroom. And this is right off the dining room too. So you got the hardwood floors extending throughout here, big windows as well. And you know, this could easily fit that queen size bed, desk, dresser, etc. And coming through here, this is the actual bathroom. So it's a full bath. It comes with the shower rod curtain. We didn't actually put it up. It's one of those twist rods, but it is with the bathroom. And this bathroom is very big. It has a closet. It kind of extends into the wall with this nice shelving here. And you can see the toilet and the vanity with the vanity mirror. And looking over here, the bathtub itself is in great condition. It's pretty much spotless, and that's always really nice to have. And so coming back around outside the bathroom, we would have seen everything from this point of the dining room. And then over here, this is the third bedroom and a door going out back to the hallway. And the third bedroom is a little bit bigger than the second bedroom. It's kind of in between the second and the first. It's got the big windows as well, nice hardwood floors that are in really good condition. Again, it's fresh paint throughout the unit. And a nice big closet here for the third bedroom. And the rear hallway does have a closet for storage, which we'll go ahead and show now. It's also got this pin for the lock. So very nice, clean common area. There's also a porch which I'll be able to include as part of the information on the listing. If you want to check out the description, I'll try to take a picture of it as well. And if you have any questions about this or any of our other listings, please go to nexuswor.com and go to our for rent page or vacancies page. There you'll see all the apartments that we have listed for rent, as well as the options to reach out to a leasing agent. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.